Now we are going to explain the scientific notations, which is written as an exponent form. So scientific notations represent a number as a factor multiplied by a power of 10. The integer part of the number must be between 1 and 9 inclusive. For example, the 3.5 million in scientific notation is 3.5 and then 10 to the 6 because million has 6 zeros. The number you see now 757,000 in scientific notation will be, so you write 7 comma 5.7 and then you see that if I put the decimal after 7 then I have 5 places there. So that's why we write 10 to the 5. Now we'll take some other examples when you multiply or divide big numbers or small numbers. So the small numbers also written same way. For example, you have say 1 over 1000, right? So this one is actually 10 to the negative 3. So this we can write 1 times 10 to the negative 3. Same way, if you're writing some number like say that 0.000037, so you can write this one as 3.7 and then you can see decimal goes here 1 2 3 4 5 places, right? Negative 5. And why negative 5? You can see decimal goes 1 2 3 4 5 places here, right? It goes here, it's 5 places. That's why 10 to the negative 5. Now the next problem is like so that you have 3.14 10 to the 3 times 2.1 10 to the 5. So what happens in this case? 10 to the 3, 10 to the 5, you can write here 10 to the 8 and let us see what happens 3.14 times 2.1. We can do it in the calculator to save our time because we want to understand the basic rules of scientific notations. So we just take a calculator and see what happens when I multiply 3.14 with 2.1. So that gives you 6.594. So approximation we will be writing here 6.59. And that is exactly the scientific notation when you multiply 3.14 10 to the 3 times 2.1 times 10 to the 5. Thank you.